Austin Bergstrom International Airport ATIS information uniform, wind 953 Zulu. Wind 350 at 5. Visibility wind 0. Few clouds at 8,000. Few clouds at 25,000. Temperature 26. 2.3. Altimeter 2987. Arrivals expect visual approach runway 36 right, 36 left. Simultaneous approaches in use. Notice spare missions. 5G modems in effect. Runway 18 right, 36 left DME out of service. Drone reported 3 south of Austin Airport at 1500, heading south, yellow color, the size of a house cat. Meow. Advise on initial contact. You have information uniform.
Tower Envoy 3683.
3683, go ahead.
Yeah, we just saw a drone pass off our right side, probably 3 miles from the runway. I'd say over top the highway.
Envoy 3683, roger. It was off the right side. Okay, and do you have any, well, I'll ask you the rest of the questions as you land. Thanks.
Thank you.
Southwest 2740, use caution. There was a drone reported on about a 3-mile funnel by someone off their right side. So it might be in between the parallels, south of the field. I'll get more details later.
We'll be on the lookout, 2740.
Envoy 3683, for the drone that you saw, you said you're on about a 3-mile funnel. You said it was off your right side, and it was over a highway. Do you have any other description? Like, was it a large drone? Did you see a color or know about how high it was?
I didn't take note of the height. I'd say it was about 1,600 feet southbound over the highway. I think it was yellow. It was about the size of maybe like a cat.
Envoy 3683, roger. Thank you. Contact ground point 9er.
Point 9, Envoy 3683.
Tower, good afternoon. It's Delta 437, 4,200 on the RNAV Zulu.
Delta 437, Austin Tower, runway 36 left, clear to land, wind 160 at 14. Use caution, did have a drone report about 3 to 4 mile final, yellow in color and about the size of a house cat.
Okay, we'll look for that drone. Delta 437, clear to land 36 left.